Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating and launching an analysis in visionCATS. Begin by selecting and opening your method in the visionCATS Explorer. In the HPTLC Steps tab, click Finish Step Definition to open the Chromatography tab. Next, in the bottom right corner, click the Execute Method button. A new window will open. Enter a name for your analysis and select the folder or storage location where you want to save it. Finally, click OK. The analysis file will then be created and opened automatically. Before starting the analysis, ensure that all parameters are configured, no warning messages are displayed, and all instruments are powered on and properly connected. Your method is now fully launched and ready for precise and reliable results. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.